Gardening with kids is the most rewarding thing that I do outside. I love growing veggies, but I love it even more when I get to do it with my children. Miss Alta here is an accomplished gardener because kids learn best by doing. So we always have things to do that are kid appropriate in the garden. One of the things that she's best at is finding pests in the garden and helping me get rid of them. Kids learn best by watching their parents, whether that's eating healthy, eating out of the garden, learning how to do things in the garden. They love to watch you work, and it's a great learning opportunity. It's so fun to do with your kids. One of the things that we like to do together is plant seeds. So what I'll do is I'll go through the garden and I'll make the indents, and then Alta will come behind me and she'll put the seeds in. I like to hand them to her one at a time so that we don't get too many in at once, but it's something that we do together that's fun because then she gets to cover up the seeds and then we wait a few days and we get to watch together to see if they sprouted. When your kids are really small, like Enid's age, it's best to just have an area in your yard where you just kind of let them do their own thing. They have a little patch of space that you can kind of just say, it's okay. As they get older, you can let them have their own space in the yard. They're really proud of whatever they grow, and it's wonderful to see them work outside on their own space.